Hi guys, how are you? In this video, I will show you how to end subscription in Amazon Prime. Let's start. So, say for example, you would want to cancel your subscription already for Amazon Prime Video. Say you just really wanted to take advantage of the 30-day free trial and then you decide to just not continue anymore. Then you could always, cancel your subscription before that particular due date would come. Or say for instance, you've been paying already like monthly subscription for Amazon Prime Video and then you just wish to end it and yeah, you could also do that as well. So I'm gonna show you how it's done. First you need to go to your account and settings. So it's normally located at the upper right portion of the page that has your name or your account name. So just click on that and then just choose account and settings. Once you're there, you can just go to, if you see here, Prime membership, you click on edit on Amazon. Once you click on that, you would actually you will be led to this page, and then see, I'm at this part wherein it says free trial, and if I want to see more plans, you could actually see everything in here and see there's actually a 50% off Prime that you could take advantage for college students and Medicaid card holders. So you'd be able to save a lot. But say for instance you would want to now cancel your membership or end your subscription, just go here at manage membership and then click on update, cancel, and more. So from here you would be able to you can actually even tick this part right here to send you a reminder for if you need to renew or if you need to like end your membership. This would actually help you. But since you want to end your subscription, you just need to go here and then click on end membership, and then that's it. But right now I don't want to end my membership yet. So far I'm enjoying my account. So definitely I will just need to check on this again and decide if I need to end my subscription once December 6th is coming. All right, so I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please hit on like. Thanks for watching. Bye.